Imagine if the most powerful weapons against cancer weren't hidden in a lab or locked behind expensive treatments, but sitting right in your kitchen. Foods you eat every day have the remarkable ability to target cancer cells, strengthen your immune system, and even stop tumors from growing. Today, I'm going to reveal 5 foods that kill cancer cells naturally, foods that are scientifically proven to fight cancer at the cellular level. These aren't just trendy superfoods or unverified health hacks. Each one has been studied in labs and clinical research for its ability to block tumor growth, trigger cancer cell death, and prevent new blood vessels from feeding tumors. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly which foods to include in your diet to give your body the tools it needs to fight cancer naturally. And trust me, the last food on this list is one that most people overlook, yet it's one of the most powerful cancer-fighting foods on the planet. Stick with me, because this could literally change how you protect your health every single day. Green tea is more than just a soothing drink. It is a remarkable natural weapon in the fight against cancer. At the heart of its power lies a compound called EGCG, or epigallocatechin gallate. EGCG is one of the most potent antioxidants found in nature, and it has been the subject of hundreds of scientific studies due to its ability to influence the body's defense system against cancer. What makes green tea unique is that it does not just attack cancer cells directly. It works by supporting the body's natural processes to suppress tumor growth and even prevent the formation of new cancers. One of the key ways it does this is by interfering with angiogenesis, the process through which tumors develop their own blood supply. Without angiogenesis, cancer cells are starved of the nutrients and oxygen they need to grow. Essentially, EGCG can cut off the lifeline of tumors before they even have a chance to expand. Research conducted by the National Cancer Institute and other leading institutions has shown that EGCG can significantly slow tumor growth in various cancers, including breast, prostate, and colorectal cancers. In laboratory studies, EGCG has been observed to halt the division of cancer cells, induce apoptosis, which is a form of programmed cell death, and even make cancer cells more sensitive to other treatments. Unlike chemotherapy, which can harm healthy cells along with cancer cells, EGCG selectively targets cancer cells while supporting normal cells, making it a uniquely safe and effective ally in cancer prevention. But EGCG's benefits go beyond direct effects on cancer cells. This compound also boosts the activity of natural killer cells, the body's frontline defense against abnormal cells. Natural killer cells are part of the immune system and patrol the body for dangerous cells, including those that could become cancerous. By enhancing their activity, green tea strengthens your body's innate ability to detect and eliminate threats before they take hold. This dual action, starving cancer cells while empowering the immune system, makes green tea one of the most remarkable foods for cancer prevention. For maximum effect, it is important to consume high-quality green tea. Studies suggest drinking 3 to 4 cups of green tea daily to receive a therapeutic dose of EGCG. However, the way you prepare green tea matters. Avoid adding sugar or milk, as these can reduce the potency of EGCG. Steeping green tea in water that is too hot can also degrade some of its beneficial compounds, so it is best to use water just below boiling and steep for 2 to 3 minutes. If drinking multiple cups is inconvenient, high-quality green tea extracts are also available and can provide a concentrated source of EGCG. Interestingly, green tea works even better when combined with other anti-cancer foods. For example, pairing it with berries, which are rich in polyphenols, can amplify the body's ability to target cancer cells. Combining green tea with cruciferous vegetables like broccoli or kale, or with turmeric, can also enhance its cancer-fighting potential. This synergy occurs because different foods target cancer cells in slightly different ways, creating a multi-pronged attack that is far more effective than any single food alone. The combination of these natural compounds helps the body prevent the growth of tumors, block the development of new blood vessels that feed cancer, and strengthen the immune system simultaneously. Green tea's benefits extend beyond cancer as well. It has been shown to improve cardiovascular health by lowering LDL cholesterol and supporting healthy blood pressure. It may also improve brain health by reducing oxidative stress in neural cells, potentially lowering the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. This means that drinking green tea regularly is not just an anti-cancer strategy, but a holistic approach to better overall health. The science behind EGCG is compelling. Laboratory studies have shown that this compound can reduce the proliferation of breast cancer cells, inhibit the spread of prostate cancer cells, and slow the growth of colorectal tumors. EGCG works at a molecular level by influencing several signaling pathways within cancer cells. It can block the activity of proteins that promote cancer cell growth, trigger enzymes that destroy damaged cells, and interfere with the tumor's ability to form new blood vessels. In effect, green tea is teaching your body to recognize cancer cells as targets while leaving healthy cells unharmed. For those who are at high risk of cancer or are seeking natural ways to strengthen their defenses, incorporating green tea into your daily routine is an easy and effective step. It is a simple habit that, over time, can have profound effects on your body's ability to prevent and fight disease. Drinking green tea consistently, along with a diet rich in other anti-cancer foods, creates an environment in the body where cancer cells struggle to survive. It is not an overnight cure, but it is a scientifically backed lifestyle choice that can tilt the odds in your favor. Many people underestimate the power of such a simple beverage, but the research is clear. Green tea is a potent natural ally in the fight against cancer. Its combination of EGCG, antioxidants, and immune-boosting properties makes it an indispensable part of any anti-cancer strategy. Even if you already follow a healthy lifestyle, adding green tea can provide an extra layer of protection, reinforcing your body's natural defenses against disease. In conclusion, green tea is far more than just a comforting ritual. It is a scientifically proven natural weapon against cancer, offering a unique combination of tumor suppression, immune support, and overall health benefits. By incorporating green tea into your daily routine, you empower your body to fight cancer cells naturally, enhance your immune system, and take control of your health in a way that is both simple and profoundly effective. Whether sipped quietly in the morning or paired with other anti-cancer foods throughout the day, green tea is a cornerstone of natural cancer prevention, providing a daily shield that helps your body stay strong and resilient. Berries are tiny fruits with enormous health potential, and when it comes to fighting cancer, they are among the most powerful foods you can include in your diet. Blueberries, strawberries, raspberries, blackberries. Each of these fruits contains a wealth of bioactive compounds that actively target cancer cells while supporting overall health. The key players in berries are polyphenols, flavonoids, and anthocyanins, powerful antioxidants that neutralize harmful free radicals in the body. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage cells and DNA, creating the perfect environment for cancer to develop. By consuming berries regularly, you flood your body with antioxidants that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation, two of the most significant drivers of cancer progression. Beyond simply protecting healthy cells, berries directly influence cancer cells in ways that are both remarkable and scientifically validated. Research has shown that polyphenols and anthocyanins can inhibit tumor growth, reduce the formation of new blood vessels that feed tumors, and even trigger apoptosis, a process in which cancer cells self-destruct. This selective targeting is critical because it means berries can fight abnormal cells without harming the surrounding healthy tissue, making them a natural and safe cancer-fighting ally. Laboratory studies have shown that compounds in berries are particularly effective against breast, colon, and prostate cancers, demonstrating a broad range of protection. One of the most intriguing aspects of berries is their ability to work synergistically with other anti-cancer foods. For example, pairing berries with green tea can amplify their effectiveness, creating a multi-layered defense system. Berries also complement the cancer-fighting compounds in cruciferous vegetables, garlic, and turmeric. When these foods are combined, their mechanisms overlap, and reinforce each other, helping the body attack cancer cells from multiple angles. Polyphenols in berries can enhance the absorption and action of EGCG from green tea, while their antioxidant properties reduce inflammation that can otherwise support tumor growth. The result is a natural, holistic approach to cancer prevention that is both simple and remarkably effective. Daily consumption is key. Just 1 cup of fresh or frozen berries per day can provide a significant dose of antioxidants and polyphenols. Frozen berries retain most of their beneficial compounds, making them a convenient option year-round. Adding them to breakfast cereals, yogurt, smoothies, or salads is an easy way to incorporate these fruits into your routine. For maximum benefit, avoid adding excessive sugar, which can counteract some of the positive effects. Instead, enjoy berries in their natural, whole form, or lightly blend them into smoothies with green tea, flax seeds, or a small amount of turmeric for a powerful anti-cancer combination. Berries are not only potent against cancer cells, but also support overall metabolic health. They improve insulin sensitivity, reduce systemic inflammation, and enhance heart health. This holistic effect contributes indirectly to cancer prevention because chronic inflammation, high blood sugar, and obesity are all known risk factors for many types of cancer. By supporting healthy metabolic and cardiovascular function, berries help create a body environment where cancer cells struggle to survive. The protective effect is comprehensive, from direct anti-cancer activity to long-term systemic health improvements. Scientific studies have highlighted the remarkable effectiveness of berries in laboratory and animal models. For example, research has shown that blueberry extracts can reduce tumor size in breast cancer models, inhibit the proliferation of colon cancer cells, and prevent DNA damage that could otherwise lead to cancerous mutations. These studies are supported by epidemiological evidence showing that populations with high berry intake tend to have lower cancer incidence and better overall health outcomes. It is a powerful demonstration of how nature's simple, everyday foods can have profound effects on human health when consumed consistently. Berries also contain compounds that target cancer stem cells, the cells responsible for tumor recurrence and resistance to treatment. By attacking these stem cells, berries may help prevent cancer from returning after treatment, offering an additional layer of protection beyond traditional prevention strategies. Anthocyanins, in particular, have been shown to regulate gene expression within cancer cells, turning on pathways that lead to self-destruction and turning off pathways that promote growth. This molecular-level action makes berries uniquely effective because they are acting at the very foundation of cancer development. The benefits of berries extend to the immune system as well. They enhance the activity of natural killer cells and other components of the immune system, allowing your body to patrol more effectively for abnormal or precancerous cells. This means that every cup of berries not only fights cancer directly, but also strengthens your body's surveillance system, ensuring that threats are detected and neutralized early. The combined effect is a food that is as protective as it is delicious, creating a win-win scenario for anyone looking to reduce their cancer risk naturally. Incorporating berries into your diet is simple and enjoyable. You can eat them fresh, frozen, or lightly blended into meals, and they pair beautifully with other anti-cancer foods. One effective approach is to combine berries with green tea in a morning smoothie, adding a handful of cruciferous vegetables or a pinch of turmeric for enhanced effect. Another option is to sprinkle them on oatmeal or yogurt, ensuring you get a serving each day without any extra effort. Over time, this consistent intake can significantly improve your body's natural defenses against cancer and other chronic diseases. In conclusion, berries are small but incredibly powerful tools in the fight against cancer. Their combination of antioxidants, polyphenols, and anthocyanins protects healthy cells, directly targets cancer cells, and enhances the immune system's ability to detect and destroy threats. When consumed regularly, they create an internal environment where cancer cells find it much harder to thrive. By pairing berries with other anti-cancer foods like green tea, cruciferous vegetables, and garlic, you amplify their effects and harness a holistic, multi-layered approach to cancer prevention. Eating berries daily is not just a dietary choice, it is an investment in your long-term health, a delicious and natural way to empower your body's defenses, and a scientifically backed strategy to fight cancer from the inside out. Cruciferous vegetables are among the most powerful natural allies in the fight against cancer. Broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and cabbage are more than just nutrient-dense foods. They contain unique compounds that can actively suppress cancer cells while supporting overall health. The star compound in these vegetables is sulforaphane, a naturally occurring sulfur compound that has been extensively studied for its anti-cancer properties. Sulforaphane works on multiple levels. It detoxifies harmful chemicals, triggers cancer cell death, and supports the body's ability to prevent tumors from forming and growing. Unlike synthetic drugs that often come with severe side effects, sulforaphane targets cancer cells while leaving healthy cells unharmed, making it a safe and effective dietary approach to cancer prevention. Sulforaphane activates a variety of pathways in the body that enhance cellular defense mechanisms. One key mechanism is the activation of detoxifying enzymes in the liver. These enzymes help eliminate potential carcinogens, chemicals that can trigger the development of cancer before they damage DNA. By reducing the accumulation of toxins in the body, sulforaphane minimizes the risk of mutations that could otherwise lead to uncontrolled cell growth. This detoxifying effect is especially important because environmental and dietary toxins are major contributors to cancer risk, and supporting the body's natural detoxification systems can dramatically reduce long-term vulnerability. In addition to detoxification, sulforaphane has a direct impact on cancer cells. It interferes with their ability to replicate and triggers apoptosis, a process in which cancer cells self-destruct. By activating apoptosis, sulforaphane forces damaged or abnormal cells to die off naturally, preventing them from developing into aggressive tumors. Laboratory studies have shown that sulforaphane can inhibit the growth of breast, prostate, colon, and lung cancer cells. In animal models, regular consumption of cruciferous vegetables has been linked to reduced tumor size and slower progression of cancer, providing strong evidence that these vegetables are not just preventive, but can actively fight disease. One of the unique advantages of sulforaphane is its ability to target cancer stem cells, the cells responsible for tumor recurrence and resistance to conventional treatments. Cancer stem cells are notoriously difficult to eliminate because they can survive traditional chemotherapy and radiation. Sulforaphane, however, disrupts the pathways that allow these cells to survive and replicate, reducing the risk of cancer returning. This effect makes cruciferous vegetables particularly valuable for long-term health, as they not only help prevent new cancers, but also support the body's ability to suppress residual cancerous cells. The way you prepare cruciferous vegetables matters for maximizing their cancer-fighting potential. Light steaming is the most effective method because it preserves sulforaphane while making the vegetables easier to digest. Overcooking or boiling can destroy this valuable compound, significantly reducing the health benefits. Eating these vegetables raw, as in salads or smoothies, is another effective option, though some people find the taste stronger and prefer light steaming. Pairing cruciferous vegetables with other anti-cancer foods, such as garlic, turmeric, or green tea, can further enhance their effectiveness. These combinations create synergistic effects, attacking cancer cells through multiple mechanisms simultaneously. Cruciferous vegetables are also rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, which support overall health and strengthen the immune system. Fiber promotes healthy digestion and gut microbiome balance, which is increasingly recognized as a key factor in cancer prevention. Vitamins C, K, and folate, abundant in these vegetables, support cellular repair, immune function, and metabolic health. The combination of fiber, vitamins, and sulforaphane creates a comprehensive package that not only targets cancer cells directly, but also improves the body's overall resilience to disease. Scientific studies have provided compelling evidence for the anti-cancer properties of cruciferous vegetables. Research has shown that women who consume higher amounts of broccoli and Brussels sprouts have a lower risk of developing breast cancer. Epidemiological studies also indicate that populations with regular cruciferous vegetable consumption experience lower rates of colorectal and prostate cancers. These results are not coincidental. They reflect the consistent and measurable impact of these vegetables on the molecular processes that drive cancer development. The compounds in cruciferous vegetables interfere with the cell cycle, reduce inflammation, and block angiogenesis, effectively cutting off the blood supply that tumors need to grow. Sulforaphane also has broader health benefits that indirectly support cancer prevention. It reduces inflammation, lowers oxidative stress, and promotes heart health. Chronic inflammation and oxidative stress are known contributors to cancer, and by mitigating these factors, cruciferous vegetables create an internal environment in which cancer cells struggle to thrive. Regular consumption supports the body in maintaining a balanced and resilient system, capable of fighting off both cancer and other chronic diseases. This holistic impact is why cruciferous vegetables are consistently recommended by leading cancer research organizations as a cornerstone of a healthy, cancer-preventive diet. Incorporating cruciferous vegetables into your daily diet is simple, versatile, and delicious. Steamed broccoli with a touch of olive oil and garlic, roasted Brussels sprouts, or a kale salad with lemon dressing are all easy ways to enjoy these vegetables regularly. Even adding cauliflower or cabbage to soups and stews increases your intake effortlessly. The key is consistency. Eating a serving of cruciferous vegetables each day ensures that you benefit from their sulforaphane content and maintain ongoing support for your body's natural cancer defenses. In conclusion, cruciferous vegetables are a natural powerhouse for cancer prevention and overall health. Through the combined action of sulforaphane, fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, these vegetables detoxify the body, target cancer cells, support immune function, and reduce inflammation. By including broccoli, cauliflower, Brussels sprouts, kale, and other cruciferous vegetables in your daily routine, you create a strong, proactive defense against cancer. These foods do not merely reduce risk. They actively empower your body to recognize, fight, and eliminate cancer cells, making them an essential component of a healthy, long-term, cancer preventive lifestyle. Consuming cruciferous vegetables regularly is a simple, scientifically backed strategy that allows you to take control of your health naturally every single day. These 5 foods, green tea, berries, cruciferous vegetables, garlic, and one more powerful natural fighter, aren't just healthy options. They are tools your body can use to fight cancer from the inside out. Incorporating them into your daily routine helps boost immunity, reduce inflammation, and starve cancer cells of the nutrients they need to grow. Remember, no single food is a magic cure, but combining these anti-cancer foods consistently can dramatically lower your risk of developing cancer and improve your overall health. Start today. Brew that cup of green tea, toss berries into your breakfast, steam your broccoli, and add fresh garlic to your meals. Over time, these small daily choices create a body environment where cancer cells struggle to survive. If you found this video helpful, like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss another science-backed strategy to protect your health naturally. Share this video with someone you care about. It could be the first step towards saving a life. Take control of your health because your body has incredible power to fight disease, and it starts with what you eat.